In today's video, I will teach you how to do a warm green color grading in Photopea. Let's get started. First, launch Photopea and load the image by going to File, then Open. In the Layers panel, select the image layer and press Ctrl J to duplicate it. Right-click the duplicated layer, then choose Convert to Smart Object for non-destructive editing. Now go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, then Hue and Saturation. Then set the following values for specific color channels. With the duplicated layer selected, go to Filter, Camera Raw, and apply these settings. Then click OK to apply the adjustments. Now go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, then select Curves. Then modify the green channel by adding a point midway and dragging it slightly upward to enhance the green tones. Then modify the red channel by adding a point near the shadows and pull it slightly down to balance the warmth. Now we're going to add a vignette. To do this, create a new layer by pressing Shift-Ctrl-N and name it Vignette. Then select the gradient tool from the toolbar, then choose Black to Transparent as a gradient. Then set it to Radial and enable Reverse. Then drag from the center of the image outward to create a vignette effect. Then set the vignette layer's blending mode to Soft Light and reduce the opacity to around 40%. Now go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, then Color Balance. Then apply these settings on shadows. Apply these settings to midtones. And apply these settings to the highlights. Now save your edited image by going to File, then Export As, and selecting your desired file format. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.